drizzle cookies, adding Cacao Bliss, and then you bake. Hello, my loves. Hello. Oh, yes. Hello again. Oh, and hello. We are in the kitchen today, y'all. My name is Gabrielle Reyes, also known as One Great Vegan, y'all. And today you gonna feel like one great vegan because we are using Cacao Bliss to make these fabulously decorated cookies. Only need about 5 ingredients for this deliciousness. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, let's get frowing, and let's make ourselves some chocolate drizzle cookies. Welcome back into my kitchen. It is the first live musical cooking class of 2021. And this year, y'all, we are getting things done. I have challenged myself this year to bake more. So, of course, I had to start off my class by baking up some chocolate drizzle cookies, y'all. Check it out. This is made with Cacao Bliss, one of my favorite ways to incorporate cacao, chocolate, luscious flavors. And it also has a ton of incredible nutrients in there, too. So, let me stop talking about how delicious they are so y'all can get your taste buds going and glowing. Y'all, check out what Cacao Bliss sent me, Earth Echo Foods, y'all. If you don't know who they are, check them out. They sent me a Bliss box, y'all, and you best believe it is blissful as all get out. Let's check out what's inside, y'all. Ooh, look at all these goodies, y'all. Look at this, look at this. It's got fancy things in it. Well, of course, I got my Cacao Bliss. Cacao Bliss. Got my Cacao Bliss here, which is what I'm using for this recipe, y'all. This is gonna give it that nice cacao, chocolate, cocoa-tacular flavor that you know and love. And then let's see what else we got here. Ooh, look at this beautiful big bowl. I can make soups in there. I might put my curry I was making earlier up in here. And then this little blender, I'm gonna give this to my mom because she loves this. She uses this way more than I do. She uses that for all of her coffees and her fancy drinks and things. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. This is like for the perfect portion of Cacao Bliss. And it's also a tablespoon. So, boom, there you go. I love that it's wooden too. I love wooden materials to cook with, to create with, y'all. Look at that cup, y'all. She is so cute. I wish y'all could feel it. It has like a nice texture to it. It's like earthy. Ooh. Then look what else. They gave me a little cookbook, and I'm actually using one of the recipes from this cookbook to make our chocolate drizzle cookies. But of course, I had to greatify it, Gabriellify it, one great veganify it with all my extraness, because y'all know I'm extra. Okay, y'all know how it is. Be sure to check out this Bliss box, all these fun, fabulous, wonderful goodies inside. And now we can make some cookies. First thing we gotta do, add in your Cacao Bliss. Add in 1 cup into your bowl. And then next goes in our almond flour. What you can do if you don't have almond flour, you can also use oat flour too. Works very nicely. But almond flour is gonna give it a nice flaky yet crispy texture that you want when you dig on into some cookies. So add in 1 to 2 cups of your almond flour into your bowl. Next, of course, we need something to bind this all together to create that nice cookie texture, right? So what you're gonna use is actually some maple syrup. Maple syrup, my favorite way to sweeten any recipe. Salty, sweet, savory, it don't matter. Add in your maple syrup. Start off with just 1 cup, and then we're gonna add in a little bit more if we have to. Add in more Cacao Bliss if we have to. Just make it a fun, easy, no stress cookie experience. As you can see, we have a nice thick batter going in here. Next, I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract as well as my vegan chocolate chips to give it that nice chocolatey, chippy, rich flavor that you want when you dig on into a chocolate chip cookie. Here's my vanilla. This is actually pure bourbon vanilla extract, so we're getting a little hoity-toity, a little bougie today. Straight into your bowl and just mix that into your batter as well. I'm gonna say this is probably gonna make about 4 to 5 cookies, depending on however large you want them. I like a big cookie. I wanna get all my cookiness in one cookie. I don't wanna have to go back for another one, you know what I'm saying? And now, let's add in those vegan chocolate chips. You can chop them up if you want to, or you can use mini chips, or honestly, nuts, it don't matter. I just love vegan chocolate chips. Let's add them into our bowl. straight in there, girl. Get in there. Yes. And then mix that all around. Just like this. The easiest, breeziest, most beautiful cookie recipe you have ever made in your life, my loves. Parchment paper covered baking sheet. You're gonna need one. You're gonna need a parchment paper covered baking sheet. This actually has a silicone parchment paper situation going on here. And this is how I'm gonna bake up my cookies. Got myself an ice cream scoop and onto my parchment paper covered baking sheet. Actually, I'm gonna spread these out a little bit more so that they don't get combined together. There we go, y'all, look at that. All right, we have 5 cookies that we're gonna bake on up. Like I said, bake them at 350 degrees to 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are crispy and crunchy all around the corners. Let's bake it up. Hey, yes! Chocolate drizzle cookies, they're quick and easy to make. Chocolate drizzle cookies, adding Cacao Bliss and then you bake. As you can see, we have baked up our chocolate cookies. I'm gonna let these cool for a little bit, and then we're gonna be able to drizzle on over our sun butter. Ooh, and then put on all of our fun toppings as well. Check it out, I have my sun butter up in here. I'm gonna give this a nice little drizzle just on over my cookies, just a little light drizzle. This is gonna help all of my other fun toppings stay on top and also add just more dynamic layers of deliciousness. Deliciousness! I have some candied ginger, y'all. Check it out. I love candied ginger, especially during the winter time. It just feels right. Feels good for my spirit and my soul. Look at this, y'all. I have some coconut flakes. I'm gonna sprinkle these on top of my cookies as well. I just like dynamic layers, y'all. I like to make these mad extra because your girl's mad extra. Sprinkle, sprinkle, hey! Sprinkle, sprinkle here and sprinkle, sprinkle there. Sprinkle, sprinkle everywhere. Y'all, look at these. These are so freaking beautiful. Cacao-tacular deliciousness, y'all. I'm ready to dig on in. Chocolate drizzle cookies, they're quick and easy to make. Chocolate drizzle cookies, adding Cacao Bliss and then you bake. Now it's time to celebrate because your girl is gonna dig on into one of these wonderful, colorful celebration cookies. I'm gonna grab this one right here. This one looks like it is made for me. Oh my good golly gumdrops, look at these gorgeous Cacao Bliss tacular cookies we have created. Chocolate drizzle cookies, y'all, decorated with some of my favorite toppings. The candied ginger comes through, the sprinkles for that little bit of fun. Y'all saw how simple this recipe was to create, something that you can get yourself in the kitchen with your whole family. Get the kids involved, get the grandparents involved, get the teens, get them going on the TikToks doing what they do, and make yourself some of these chocolate drizzle cookies, my loves. You can go get yourself a copy of my musical cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle Reyes, with over 120 rainbow-tacular recipes, musics, songs, all different kinds of things inside of this fabulous book. And you can also watch me on Food Network. Go to my website or go to the Food Network website and search for Supermarket Stakeout. My loves, I had so much fun. She fine. She landed like perfectly. It's 2021, all right, and we having more fun. I will see you all next Saturday here in the kitchen, but don't forget, at the end of the day, to sing your song, do your dance, and speak your truth. Goodbye, my loves. Goodbye and goodbye.